Here's something for your YouTube video on the 2025 Toyota Supra. The 2025 Toyota Supra continues its legacy as a high-performance sports car that blends speed, precision, and modern technology. Known for its aggressive styling and thrilling driving dynamics, the new Supra refines its formula with enhanced performance, improved comfort, and cutting-edge features that cater to both driving enthusiasts and everyday users. Under the hood, the 2025 Supra offers two engine options. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking a more exhilarating experience, the 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine remains the top choice, producing even more horsepower and torque for rapid acceleration and seamless highway cruising. The power is sent to the rear wheels through an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring quick shifts and optimal performance. Drivers who crave a more engaging experience can also opt for a 6-speed manual transmission, enhancing the thrill of every drive. The 2025 Supra maintains its aggressive and aerodynamic design, featuring sculpted lines, bold air intakes, and an unmistakable rear spoiler that enhances stability at high speeds. The LED headlights and taillights contribute to its futuristic appeal, while lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber help improve overall performance by reducing weight without compromising strength. The coupe's low center of gravity and balanced chassis provide exceptional handling, making every twist and turn feel precise and responsive. Inside the cabin, the Supra is designed for both comfort and driver engagement. Premium materials, including leather and Alcantara upholstery, create a luxurious atmosphere, while the cockpit-style layout ensures that all essential controls are within easy reach. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, and the latest infotainment system features a large touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice control functionality. A high-quality sound system enhances the driving experience, whether cruising on the highway or attacking a winding road. Toyota has equipped the Supra with an array of advanced safety and driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help ensure a secure driving experience. The reinforced chassis and advanced airbag system provide additional protection, making the Supra as safe as it is thrilling to drive. For 2025, Toyota has fine-tuned the Supra's suspension and steering response, offering an even more connected driving experience. The adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time, providing a smooth ride on city streets while tightening up for more aggressive cornering when needed. The electronic limited slip differential improves traction, particularly during spirited driving or on challenging road conditions. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the new model's improved cooling system, ensuring the engine remains at optimal temperature during high-performance driving. Additionally, the braking system has been enhanced with larger rotors and upgraded calipers, providing superior stopping power and increased durability during intense driving sessions. Customization options allow drivers to personalize their Supra with unique color choices, wheel designs, and interior trim selections. Toyota also offers performance upgrades, including a track-focused package with sportier suspension tuning, lightweight wheels, and high-performance tires. Fuel efficiency remains reasonable for a sports car of this caliber, with the four-cylinder model offering better mileage. For those who want a balance between power and practicality. Meanwhile, the six-cylinder variant prioritizes performance, delivering exhilarating speed and acceleration that rivals some of the best sports cars on the market. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Supra builds upon its legendary reputation with enhanced performance, modern technology, and an unmistakable design. Whether used for daily commuting or weekend track sessions, it offers a thrilling and engaging experience that few cars in its class can match. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe to Next General Rides. We bring you in-depth reviews, detailed specs, and expert insights on the most exciting vehicles on the market. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.